Need for speed. Nitro. 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 So high. Got my eyes low. Bygones be bygones. Fake hoes be fake hoes. Broke niggas can't ride alone. Realest niggas only ride alone. And I'm stupid, I don't write no song.
Motherfucker sound good. Got me outside, man. I ain't even get to get myself right, man. That motherfucker's clean, though. Coming through my street sounding like that, man. That mother look good, man. I see it, man. Shout yourself out, man.
Justin, Underground Performance. Hit me up, 740-572-7159.
No bigger, no bigger. Yeah, we looking good, but we got some shit in motion. Just know that. So y'all stay tuned. You feel me? As you see this motherfucker.
Factory wheels on there.
Yeah, that shit look nice.
I had Hellcat Fosbooks on there, but I like those.
Definitely. Hell yeah. Well, now we looking at this bad boy today.
You hit everything.
They hit me.
Man.
Yeah. Man, it's so crazy because while they smacked me from the back one time, right? A different person, but he cashed me out and shit.
Well, could be that. Just change the door out. Is that the door the same as the rear door on 300?
Damn, now. That ain't no 300 though.
I thought it was.
Hey, it look like it, don't it? Let me let you hear that motherfucker, man. Motherfucker.
Magnum.
I've been trying to find bodies, but people been playing. Every time I hit people up, I had the money for them. They don't respond or nothing. That's what I'm saying. I might fuck around and just put it in the 300. Depending on, you know, if they talking right on it. Shit. Hell yeah.
That's crazy. These were 30 grand back in the day.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I got a bunch of them in the wall.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna just try to see what I can do with a 3 down.
I just had a fucking 300 too. I sold fucking like $500 cheap.
Man, $5.
I swear when I was moving shops, I swear to God it was nice too. I swear.
Damn. $500, man.
The motor was locked up. The motor and the rear end transmission, something was fucked up with it. I never fucked with it.
Right.
I bought it and fucking. I used to buy cars all the time like that. People selling shit.
Right.
I've done it.
Isn't it? Let's see what's going on here.
Black stripes all the way down the middle.
I like the motherfucking roof in there. And of course you got the Scat Pack seats in there.
Yeah. Hellcat steering wheel, red butt, red push start, dash camera so when I'm fucking around with the police chasing.
With the goddamn police radar, man. Quit playing with them. Y'all see it. Yeah, we gonna get some shit in mode, man. What's up?
Over my shop. Be alright over there.
Let me show you how to, I gotta show them the inside of this bit.
It's filthy in there right now.
Let me find out. Oh yeah, you got the tuner on this. Yeah, you crazy, man. I see what the fuck going on. Scat Pack seats. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm full.
Clean.
Clean as fuck. Would you ever sell this?
Yeah, the right number.
What you talking on this if you was to sell this?
17. It's a fair number.
That's a nice thumbnail too, right there.
It's only got 56,000 miles. 57.
Sheesh. This motherfucker's tough. It's fuck. I don't think ain't nobody fucking with this right now.
And she a freak with that mouth, she get straight endorsements. Me and Wes hit that bliss, that's a smooth performance.
Yeah, I'm in the game, I feel like Michael Jordan. Get out the game, boy, you not scoring. 250 dubs for the marble porcelain. Grabbing shit off the glass, but I'm not horsing. You off that little ass drink, you ain't sipping more, nigga. Kept it flipping on this block, we torch 'em. You only took the bag, I took the whole portion. Bad milk with that.
Show, man. He said he racing the Sonata.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
All right, man.
Be safe, man. I'm definitely get with you this week.
All right.
Appreciate you coming by. Sheesh. Smoke it.
You can record me. I see you about to go out of gas.
Not about to go out.
Stay tuned, we about to get in mode.
Got my hands on some salt, brody, go and grab the soda. It's the price difference, what's the ticket on your yo? Niggas say you pay me, the ticket on your soul. Text me this bitch, nigga. Heard drug money get you rich, nigga. Rich as fuck, tryna get richer.